Hello everyone, today I talk about Python strings. Mainly Python has 4 data types. They are numeric, dictionary, boolean and sequence. Already in my videos I have explained about integer, complex and float. It is under numeric data type. Today I talk about strings. It is under sequence. What is a string? In Python, strings can be created by enclosing characters by single quotes or double quotes. Then we can write this waterfall. This is a collection of characters. Now we can write this using double quotes or single quotes. Then next one, you can easily display a string literal using print function in Python. In my first video itself, I talked about print function. Using print function, I printed something, I displayed something on the screen. Then you can use print command here to display a string on the screen. There you can use double quotes or single quotes. Now let's see how to assign a string to a variable. It is just like in other programming languages. First, variable name. If I write student name, this is the variable name, then equal sign, then I can put here the string I want. I type Tom. Now this means this string, this collection of characters, it has been assigned to the student name variable, right? Now when I want to print this one, I can use print function here. Print student name, this one, right? I run the program, then I can see the result here. Then first I assign Tom to student name variable, this variable name, then I printed this one, then here is result. Now when I want to print Tom without using variable name, I can use print function. Within print function, I use Tom. See? Right. Next example. Here I forgot this one. You can use single quotes or double quotes. If someone uses single quotes, it is also correct. Same result is there. Right? Next, I use this variable name x. There I assign 123. Now if you assign like this, it is a numeric variable. It is under integer data type. But if you write this variable using double quotes or single quotes, it becomes a string. When you enclose a collection of characters using single quotes or double quotes, it becomes a string. Now if you print this one, you can see the output 123. Print x. I comment these ones. Hash, hash, hash. Now I print this one. (123). But if you see the data type here, I use print function. Within print function, I use type function. I will explain about type function in an earlier video. You can watch it in my video series. I want to see what is the data type of this x variable. Then I run this one. Then data type is str, that means a string, right? Then next example. Next I want to talk about, now you can see even though we write numbers within double quotes or single quotes, it becomes a string. Very simple. Also, you can assign multi-line strings to a variable using 3 single quotes or double quotes. How can we do that? First, we write a variable name here. A equals, what is multi-line string? That means here we have only single line string here. If I use more than single line, I write a sentence like this. Anyone can learn Python and build wonderful projects. Now here there are 2 lines. Now to assign these multi-line strings to this variable, I can use 3 double quotes here. Also, I have to enclose this one using another 3 double quotes. Right? Then we can print this one. I use print function. Then I keep this variable name here. Now I run this one. You can see anyone can learn Python and build wonderful projects here. Right? This is the simple lesson today I wanted to teach you. Thank you very much.